Hello and Assalamualaikum. This is Chemistry Form 4 on Chapter Acid, Base and Salt, Subtopic 6.2 pH Value. Okay, to know pH value, we start with pH scale. So this is pH scale. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. The lowest value is 0 and the highest value is 14. This pH scale is used to show the acidity and alkalinity of an aqueous solution. So solution with pH value less than 7. Less than 7 is acidic, while solutions with pH value more than 7 is alkaline. And pH value 7 is neutral. Okay. Universal indicator, pH meter or pH paper is commonly used to determine the pH value. Okay, so what is actually pH and how to determine the pH value? In chemistry, pH is a logarithmic measure of the concentration of hydrogen ions in aqueous solution. So log here, as you can see here, log is logarithm of base 10 and the hydrogen ion here is the concentration of hydrogen ions in unit mole per decimeter cubic decimeter. Decimeter cube of the solution. So by using this formula, we can determine the pH value of an acid by calculation. Okay, let's see. This is the example how we use the formula just now. Calculate the pH value of nitric acid with 0.5 mole per cubic decimeter. Okay, as you can see, the unit is mole per decimeter cube. So this is concentration of the nitric acid and hydrogen ion as well. Okay, so by using the formula pH equals to negative log concentration of hydrogen ion. Okay, so you write negative log the concentration of hydrogen ion is 0.5 given in the question. Okay, so you got the value negative. The log 0.5 is negative 0.301. So it is 0.301. And since the concentration given is 1 decimal place, so you have to write the pH value of nitric acid is 0.3 instead of 0.301 because the decimal place of the given concentration of hydrogen ion. Okay, let's see. Determine the molarity of hydrochloric acid with pH value of 2.0. So by using the formula, the same formula, pH equals to negative log concentration of hydrogen ion. Okay, so the pH value now, P is small letter. Okay, 2.0 equals to negative log concentration of hydrogen ion. Okay, so you got log concentration of hydrogen ion equals to negative 2. Okay, simple mathematics here. Then concentration of hydrogen ion is 10 to the power of negative 2. Okay, then it is 10 to the power of negative 2 is 0.01 and the unit for molarity is mole per cubic decimeter. Okay, so this is the molarity of hydrochloric acid. Calculate the pOH value sodium hydroxide solution, sodium hydroxide with concentration 0.1 mole per decimeter cube hydroxide ion. Okay, so you can use the formula POH hydroxide ion equals to negative log concentration of hydroxide ion. Okay, so it is negative log the concentration given 0.1 equals negative 1. So it is 1. So the POH value of sodium hydroxide solution is 1. You have to write the 1 decimal place. Okay, 1.0. Because given here 1 decimal place. Okay, next. Calculate the pH value for potassium hydroxide that has 0.01 mole per cubic decimeter hydroxide ion. Okay, by using the same formula, POH equals to negative log. Concentration of hydroxide ion given here is 0.01 mole per decimeter cube. So the value for log 0.01 is negative 2. So it is 2. And then you write the POH value of potassium hydroxide solution is 2.0. 1 decimal place. And then but the question was to calculate the pH value. So the pH value equals to 14 minus 2.0, 12.0, the pH value. When the concentration of acid increases, more acid molecules ionize to produce hydrogen ions. The higher the concentration of hydrogen ion, the lower the pH value. Acidity increases when the pH value of the acid solution decreases. Okay, it's vice versa. On the other hand, the higher the concentration of hydroxide ion, the higher the pH value. Alkalinity increases when the pH value of the alkaline solution increases. Okay, these are examples of pH value of few items in our daily life, which are tested with the universal indicator. Okay, as you can see here, pH battery got the pH value 0. Gastric juice in our stomach, the pH value is between 1 and 2. Vinegar, acid, lemon, tomato, coffee, also acidic, milk, also acidic, and drinking water is neutral because the pH is 7. And then our blood is slightly alkaline, pH 8, the pH value 8. Baking soda, alkaline, antacid, and antacid is used to neutralize acidic stomach. Okay, for gastric patient. Then we have ammonia, soap, bleach, sewage pipe cleaner with the pH value 14. Okay, so we are surrounded with alkaline and acidic substance in our daily life. Okay, so that's all from me for this subtopic. See you on my next subtopic. Bye.